Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to switch TikTok on business account. First step is open your TikTok app on your mobile device. Now click on profile icon which is on the right bottom corner. Then click on the right top three lines. Then click on settings and privacy is the bottom option. Then click on manage account is the first option. After that click on switch to business account. Then tap next and choose your category you want to business. Then next. You can see your personal account convert into the business account.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.